Changing your LLC's address in New Jersey might seem like a simple administrative task, but doing it incorrectly can lead to missed communications, compliance issues, and even legal complications. This guide will walk you through the entire process to ensure a smooth transition for your business. In New Jersey, changing your LLC's address requires filing specific forms with the state. The exact form depends on your business structure. Corporations and limited partnerships use Form C-104G. Limited liability companies must file Form L-122. Limited liability partnerships use Form L-222. And sole proprietorships need Form REGCL. For LLCs specifically, the registered agent must file Form L-122 with the New Jersey Department of Treasury's Division of Revenue. This form can be submitted by mail or in person at the Department of Revenue in Trenton. When filing in person, you can pay by money order, check, cash, or credit card. The form must be filed in duplicate for-profit entities, while nonprofits need to file in triplicate. If mailing your submission, send the completed form and filing fee to the New Jersey Division of Revenue, P.O. Box 308, Trenton, New Jersey 08646. Payment should be made by check addressed to the Treasurer, State of New Jersey. Remember to write your business entity number in the top left corner of the check. If you don't know this number, you can find it through the New Jersey State Business Gateway service online. A strategic approach is to time your address change with your annual report filing. This can streamline the process and potentially reduce costs. Annual reports in New Jersey can only be filed online and are due by the end of the anniversary month of your LLC's formation. When updating your business address, it's important to understand which type of address you're changing. Your LLC may have several addresses on file. The principal business address is where main operations occur, and this is what Form L-122 updates. Your mailing address, if different, may need separate updates with agencies like the IRS. The registered agent address receives legal notices, and changing this requires specific forms. If you operate in multiple locations, you may need additional local updates. After changing your address with the state, you must notify numerous other entities. The Internal Revenue Service requires Form 8822 for address changes. You'll need to inform the Secretary of State even for moves within New Jersey. The State Department of Revenue must be notified for tax documentation purposes. Any agencies that issue business permits or licenses should be updated. And if moving to a new city or county, you'll need to obtain new local business licenses. Beyond government agencies, remember to update your address with banking institutions, vendors and suppliers, landlords, insurance providers, and on all online listings and marketing materials. Overlooking any of these can cause significant disruptions to your business operations. The process differs slightly depending on whether you have a domestic or foreign LLC. Domestic LLCs formed in New Jersey use Form L-122. Foreign LLCs registered in New Jersey, but formed elsewhere, must file a certificate of amendment to update their address information. If you're moving your business out of state, the process becomes more complex. You'll need to register your business in the new state, cancel New Jersey licenses and permits, obtain new ones in your destination state, and notify the IRS. Some states require formal notification when you exit, while others allow you to simply let your business license expire. For those relocating, consider alternatives to completely moving your LLC. You could register as a foreign LLC in the new state while maintaining your New Jersey registration. You might form a new LLC in the destination state and dissolve your New Jersey LLC, once operations have fully transitioned. Each option has different implications for taxes, compliance, and administrative burden. Remember these key points. In New Jersey, LLCs must file Form L-122 to update their business address. You'll need to notify multiple agencies, including the IRS, Secretary of State, and licensing authorities. Filing during your annual report period may simplify the process. A change of principal address differs from changing your registered agent or office. And if moving out of state, more extensive steps are required, including potential re-registration or forming a new LLC. Properly changing your LLC's address ensures continuous legal compliance and smooth business operations during and after your transition to a new location.